Imagine making money on YouTube without ever showing your face, without expensive equipment, and without speaking on camera. Sounds crazy, right? But in 2026, faceless YouTube channels are quietly making thousands of dollars every single month. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a place where we break down how to grow, how to monetize, and win on YouTube, even if you are starting from zero. If you're serious about making money online, you are in the right place. Let me be honest with you. Faceless YouTube is not a shortcut to easy money, but it is one of the smartest ways to build income online in 2026, especially if you are consistent and strategic. Let me tell you the biggest advantage with the Faceless YouTube channel. You remove fear, you remove excuses, and you remove pressure. No camera, no perfection, just execution. Now, these are the Faceless YouTube niches. One is the AI plus tech explainer videos. AI is dominating everything right now. Channels explaining AI tools, channels explaining news, channels explaining tutorials are exploding. You can create videos using screen recordings, voiceovers, and simple edits. Topics like best AI tools for beginners. Another topic is how AI is changing jobs, or free AI tools you should use. This niche is growing fast and it is not slowing down. The second niche is motivational and storytelling videos. These channels use powerful speeches, stock footage, and emotional music. No face needed, just strong storytelling. You see, people are addicted to success stories, life lessons, and deep emotional content. If you can connect emotionally, you can grow very fast here. The third niche is finance and side hustles. Money content never dies. Faces channels talking about making money online, talking about side hustles and saving and investing. Wow, they are pouring millions of views. But here's the catch. You need to provide real value, not fake promises. Yeah, that is niche number 3. Let's now go to niche number 4. Celebrity and trading news. People love updates, drama, and trading stories. You can create celebrity news. You can create viral social media breakdowns and internet trade analysis. Niche number 5 is relaxation and sleep content. This one is underrated but powerful. Videos like rain sounds, ocean waves, and calm music. By the way, I've seen YouTubers who have created these videos. They run for hours and they generate passive income daily. Niche number 6 is educational or explainer videos. There are channels that simplify topics like history, psychology, facts about life, and people love learning, especially when it's easy and entertaining. Niche number 7 is top 10 or list videos. This is one of the easiest ways to start. For example, top 10 richest countries in Africa, or top 5 AI tools in 2026. Simple format, high demand, and easy to scale. Let me tell you what most people won't say. These niches will not make you rich overnight, but being consistent, applying strategy, and understanding how YouTube works. Most people fail because they quit too early. They fail because they copy without creativity. And then they focus on money instead of value. If you avoid these mistakes, you are already ahead of 90% of people. As I conclude, guys, in 2026, you don't need to show your face to win on YouTube. You just need the right niche, the right strategy, and the discipline to stay consistent. Faceless YouTube is not just a trend, it's an opportunity, and the earlier you start, the better your chances. If you found this video valuable, make sure you like it, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not yet subscribed, because here on this channel, we don't just talk about YouTube, we grow together. Also, kindly comment here below, which faceless niche are you starting in 2026? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Let us build something big. I will see you in my next video. Bye.